How to log into Capcut on PC. I'm going to show you a step-by-step method to sign in to Capcut on your computer. First, open the Capcut on your PC. Make sure that you have Capcut for Windows or Mac installed, if that's what you're using. If you don't have it yet, just go to their website or capcut.com, download and install the app. And as you launch Capcut, on the top right corner, click Login. Choose your login method, either TikTok, Google, Facebook, or Apple ID. Select your preferred option and enter your credentials. After signing in, your account will sync and you can access your project and cloud storage. And that's pretty much it. Now you are logged into CapCut on your computer.